So this is my iPhone 15 Pro Max and I have used this device continuously and quite rough from past 3+ years. I have used it for recording video, I have used it while traveling, and it has fallen down so many times. Sometimes from the top seat of the train, sometimes it has fallen down by mistake because of me only from table, and sometimes my daughter has thrown it just like a football. And still this device is new. I'm just gonna show it to you, you can be the judge. There is not a single dent anywhere on the screen. Little bit dirty because I have not cleaned it, but there is no dent and it has fallen so much. This is because I have been using this cover, this smartphone cover. By the way, this video is not sponsored. This smartphone cover has saved my phone so many times and I can't even explain how good this is. So that's the reason I wanted to share about this cover. So this cover I purchased immediately when I got the phone, and the reason was I wanted my phone to be, camouflaged. I didn't wanted it to show because I used to record video in crowded areas and I wanted it to be sneaky. I didn't want it to show off that I have an iPhone. So I purchased this. It used to have this strips all over the back panel, but with time it worn out, and just before 1 week it broke off, and you can see this layer came off. When you look at the design, you will see that edge which saves the camera module. Whenever you put it on table, it saves it from getting scratched, and that's the reason if you see, you will notice that there is not a single scratch. It's new. It's like new. Every corner is new, and this is the cover which has saved it. It has so many good functions, like it has a hole here which can be used to put the lanyard cable, and there is another hole for the lanyard cable. Although I have never used it, but this case holds it pretty well. But since it is retired now, I upgraded to a new one, and that is what I'm gonna show you. It's not even breaking, it's so tough. But anyways, we have a new one. So this back cover is from a company called as Ringke. So this is a company which has been making cover from a long time, and I have seen them grow. Now they have around 1 lakh followers on Instagram, and this is not sponsored. I purchased it from my own money. It was a prepaid order. It costed me around 1500 rupees. The cover is a bit costly, but not like those other companies. And this time, since that zebra kind of pattern already worn off, I purchased the plain one. So it comes in this kind of structure, and you can see that it is saying that there is a protective film which you have to remove. So let's now just notice how beautifully this will snap in, and it will not even touch the screen guard. And that's how I have a brand new cover, and my phone looks so scratchy. The best part is, the button feels snappier. This version is much better. This is kind of a cover where I feel confident when I'm using it. I know that if God forbid it falls, this is gonna save it, and that's the reason this cover is fantastic. We will see this rectangle shape, and it's not sharp at the corner. So the design is like that. It will absorb the impact, and I just love this. It saves the camera modules, and I have recommended it to so many people. My wife's iPhone 16 has the same cover, which is around 1.5 year old. My friend's iPhone 16 is also having the same cover, and I just love this company and love this product, and I'm sure if you will use it once, you will become fan of it. So if you're looking for a smartphone cover, you can definitely give it a try, because I have used it with Note 20, then iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16, iPhone 17, and it's a good alternative to other costly smartphone covers. So yeah, give it a try and do let me know if you like it or not. This was totally not non-sponsored video. I purchased it. I hope to get sponsorship from them. I'm trying. If Ringke, if you are looking at this, you should collab with me. You should respond to the DM. Why so serious, Ringke? Why so serious? So I hope you like the video. Make sure to subscribe the channel, share this video, and I will see you in the next one.